Hamilton's Readers and Writers Festival, GritLIT, turns 20 this year. The chair of GritLIT's board of directors, Melanie Cummings, joins us with more on the celebration. And the celebration already kind of got underway last week.
It did.
A big party with probably Canada's biggest literary figure,
So
Margaret
exciting.
Atwood.
Yeah. It was a huge banner moment for GritLIT.
Yeah.
Our 20th, to bring in our 20th year.
Right, and, and that's part of what I love about GritLIT, because here we see the photo from that night from Hamilton City Magazine. So there's Atwood, but then also GritLIT is about meeting new authors that are new to you. So Canisia Lubrin, who interviewed Margaret Atwood, was so fascinating. I'm like, so her book is the one that's right next to you. Yeah. She's going to be at the festival weekend this weekend, and I can't wait to read her book.
And Margaret Atwood was awesome because she turned the interview on Canisia, so we learned more about the book through that interview.
It's fabulous.
Yeah.
So tomorrow night, things kind of kick off with like a look back at the last 20.
A retrospective, and it's videos with the founder of GritLIT, Krista Foss, and then all the GritLIT people through the years, and it'll be a great history of 20 years.
Right, because like so many authors I know love GritLIT, because I've been involved as a volunteer for many years as well, and it's cool hearing authors even on the show are like, oh, I was at GritLIT, kind of thing. They love it because it's a chance for them to talk with each other and to talk to audience members as well.
It's very intimate. Yeah, you get to ask questions, you can get the book signing, you can talk to them in the hallway as they're going from one event to another, or you're going from one event to another. So it's amazing, and I love it because even if you haven't read their book or have never heard this author before, you walk away with a huge list to keep you going for the year, for your book list.
Right. So the bulk of GritLIT is this weekend, and it's at Homewood Suites in Hamilton.
Yes.
And it's great because it's kind of all one location there.
Yes. Yeah. You can stay put and float from one event to another. We have main stage events and workshops and free events. So come. Yeah.
Right. Some online, but the bulk in person again.
Yes.
And you've got something new this year, Grit Littles.
Yes.
So it's a partnership with Telling Tales, which is awesome.
Yes, yeah, and it'll be an author reading a story to the little ones, and it's a way to bring little people into the GritLIT fold.
And that's a free event, I understand.
Yes, it is free.
Okay, so that's Friday afternoon.
You just have to register.
Yeah, but there are so many other, like you can kind of pick and choose, you know, which events you want to go to, or best thing is to buy a pass.
Yes.
I got my pass like weeks ago.
Me too.
I love this festival.
Passes are running out, so hurry. Yeah.
Okay, and that gives you access to everything.
Everything, yeah, except for workshops. So there's 7 workshops, from learning social media as a writer, learning how to finance a writing career, and technical aspects of writing. So those you need to pay for, but there's room to register.
Right, and that also includes the Peter Mansbridge interview that's coming up at the Playhouse on Thursday night?
Thursday night at 7,
yes.
Yeah, and that one is sold out. And the Playhouse has been a great partner for us too, as well as Theatre Aquarius. So we're thrilled to have Peter Mansbridge there.
Right. Yeah. So this is just kind of a sampling of some of the writers, and it's all about sharing stories.
Yes, absolutely. And you get some insight when you hear the authors talk about their books, and then you go to read the book, you get so much more insight into your reading experience of that book. So don't feel like you have to have read all the GritLIT titles.
No, not at all. And in fact, come with an open mind and maybe sit in an audience of maybe one that you're not sure of, because it's sure to be added to your to-be-read pile.
Exactly. It opens your minds to new genres that you may not have ventured to before.
Yeah, so, it really is an amazing, and it's grown so much, and so many publishing companies now know how important GritLIT is across the country.
Absolutely, yeah. They come to us with their authors, so it's really exciting.
I remember the days when we had to go begging, but now they come. Now they come to you. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks so much, and congratulations on 20 years of GritLIT. We will get the links up on our website, chch.com, of how you can get more information. Get a pass if you can.
See you there, Annette.